Napapansin mo ba, nagkakasakit ang isang tao kapag wala itong pera or kapag ito ay nawalan ng trabaho, wala na yung healthcare benefits doon sa company na pinagtrabahuan niya before. That's why very important talaga na paghandaan yung ganitong sitwasyon na what if magkasakit dahil alam natin mangyayari pero hindi natin alam kung kailan. That's why importante meron ka talagang sariling ipon for your healthcare needs. May healthcare fund at pwede mong i-consider ang Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. 7 years mo lang ito pag-iipunan at habang ikaw ay nag-iipon dyan, meron ka ng healthcare benefits. Siyempre, meron din yang kasamang insurance benefit at upon maturity, magiging savings or investment siya. Very affordable itong Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder dahil as low as 88 pesos per day na ipon, lalong-lalo na kung ang